President Pranab Mukherjee is addressing the country on the occasion of Dussehra. Let's cross live.
हम सभी राष्ट्र की प्रगति विकास के लिए मिलकर काम करें। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।
These are live pictures that we're getting you from Red Fort in the national capital. President Pranab Mukherjee there addressing the country. He's sitting next to Vice President Hamid Ansari, sharing the stage with BJP President Amit Shah, Congress President Sonia Gandhi, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh and Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi. Effigies of Ravan expected to be burnt any time now. Dussehra, of course, marking the victory of good over evil. Top political leaders there gathered at Red Fort, as is customary. President Pranab Mukherjee addressed the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi couldn't make it to the event because he is in Andhra Pradesh there, where he laid the foundation stone of Andhra's new capital in Amravati and also visited Tirupati. There are tokens being shared by political dignitaries who've gathered there at the Red Fort. We've been seeing a number of celebrities performing at the special Ram Leela that's been organized in the national capital. A sword there being presented to former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh. These are usually weapons that are used in Ram Leela performances as well, being presented as tokens or weapons used to fight evil, being presented to dignitaries who are present there at the Ram Leela Maidan. Sonia Gandhi there being presented a Dhanush. We're seeing celebrations across the country. It's Dussehra. Of course, North India celebrating Dussehra. In the east, we have West Bengal celebrating Vijay Dashmi, 10th day of the puja. There you have pictures of BJP President Amit Shah being presented a token as well. Almost 90 to 100 feet tall statue of Ravan has been constructed at the Ram Leela grounds in the national capital. The statue will be set ablaze in a short while from now. Atir Khan is with us on the phone line. Atir, take us through what we're seeing right now on our screen. Top dignitaries there present at the Red Fort. The statue of Ravan to be set ablaze in a short while from now.
Well, that's right. You know, it's an illustrious stage which has been set up. And President Pranab Mukherjee, Vice President Hamid Ansari, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, Congress President Sonia Gandhi, BJP President Amit Shah, Rahul Gandhi, Dr. Harshvardhan, they are all seated on the stage and they are waiting for the moment, for the the final moment, the culmination of the ceremony today, and setting a fire of the effigy of Ravana, Meghnad and Kumbhkarn, which is likely to happen any moment now. They've just been given souvenirs by the committee which has organized the Ram Leela here. But this is the moment that everybody has been waiting for, and this happens every year. But this time the Prime Minister is not present here due to his other engagements. However, the people are now focused at the effigy. They are waiting for this ritual to begin, so that and it's begun.
Like Abu, you're telling us that fireworks have now begun at Ram Leela Maidan, where the statue of Ravan, his brother and his son will be set on fire. We have political dignitaries there watching the performance live. Former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, Vice President Hamid Ansari, President Pranab Mukherjee and BJP President Amit Shah there at the Red Fort, who've come to witness Ravan Dahan live. Alright, there you have it on your screens. Almost 100 feet tall statue of Ravan, his brother and son being set alight. The statues are made of paper and fireworks mostly. There's a lot of caution that needs to be taken because these structures usually when on fire come crashing down. So crowd management is a huge concern for organizers as well. These are live pictures that we're getting you from Red Fort in Delhi, where statues of Ravan, his brother and son are being set on fire. Ravan, Kumbhkaran and Meghnad being set ablaze to mark the victory of good over evil. Atir Khan is with us on the phone line. Atir, lots of people also gathered there at Red Fort to capture this event live. People taking, you can see a lot of them holding out their mobile phones trying to shoot videos of that, of the Ravan Dahan. Atir, can you hear me? Well, we'll try and reconnect with Atir Khan. These are live pictures that we're getting you from Red Fort in the national capital, where Ravan Dahan has now concluded. Effigies of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhkaran were set ablaze a short while back. Massive fireworks there being witnessed live by top political dignitaries of the country. Except for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, all top political leaders are in attendance. You're seeing BJP President Amit Shah, seeing Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan, President Pranab Mukherjee, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, Vice President Hamid Ansari, Congress President Sonia Gandhi and Vice President Rahul. They're all present there watching Ravan's effigies being burnt live. Atir Khan, I believe, is now back with us on the phone line. Atir, lots of crowds there also who've collected there to witness this event live. People shooting they're shooting all the fireworks live on their mobile phones.
Well, absolutely. It's a spectacular sight here. And since there is festivity all around, this region, especially the old Delhi is known for Dussehra festivities. And, it starts with Ram Leela, which starts, a little before that. And it culminates into this gaiety, which happens, and it follows. Tomorrow also there'll be some celebrations. But this is the time which everybody is waiting for. And as we speak, President Pranab Mukherjee was also present. He also spoke for a brief while. He gave his message to the country, and now, as we speak, there were a number of diplomats which have come from high commissions and embassies, which are located in the capital. But the ceremony is now almost over, and as we speak, all the leaders and the dignitaries are about to leave.
And Atir, can you take us to the highlights of President Pranab Mukherjee's speech in the run-up to Dussehra? He's been addressing the nation on several occasions. In fact, also spoke to our executive editor, Javed Ansari, criticizing incidents of violence that are being reported from different parts of the country, saying it's the government's prerogative to maintain peace and harmony in the country to ensure that diversity of all kinds is allowed.
Well, absolutely. Yet again, once again, he spoke for a brief while, but his message was of peace, unity and development of everybody. The focus was on the development, as the Prime Minister has been saying. That is the goal which should be achieved, taking India to new heights. And he has once again reiterated that message and when he spoke, everybody was listening. And there's a huge crowd which is gathered here for the celebrations. And it is wonderful occasions. And since it's a wonderful, lovely weather out here, the people had a good time, and they saw all the top leaders who were present here. And now very soon, the crowd which is gathered here will be dispersed, but they are waiting for the dignitaries, for the top leaders to leave, and only after then they'll be, allowed to leave this premises.
Atakhanda reporting on the Dussehra celebrations in the national capital. Effigies of Ravan, Kumbhakarn and Meghnad were set ablaze a short while back there at the Red Fort ground.